Discover Media, but the non-navigation one with Apple CarPlay DEB on Volkswagen Transporter T5.1. So we retrofitted, basically depends on what radio you got. You remove the front panel, the top bit. So front panel comes in here. It will have 2 screws, but before that you have the top side, which just pulls out like that. You can see the 2 clips. You pull it out, undo the 2 screws, pull the front off, unplug this. If you're gonna unplug them and you put ignition, you're gonna have some errors like airbag and traction control and stuff. So ideally before you put ignition, you should have this one on or plug in back the switches. Then you can run the USB just in there. Very good job you did. All right, and then you can mount your DB antenna just there. Make sure you scratch the chassis a little bit so you can get a good ground, and that's it. If you had the sat-nav version, you would just have to add the GPS like that, and that's kind of it. And then of course you're gonna need one of these, which is from a Skoda, that will have a microphone hole because the other one doesn't have, and you just run the microphone this way. Very easy. So this is the retrofit. So this is the Discover Media CarPlay fitted. This is how it looks with all back in place. We got the DB stuck on antenna there, which does pretty good job. All run to there. In the glove box we have the ESP and the new roof light fitted with the microphone. Interior light, the way you want to call it. Everything works. You can play a bit with the radio if you want. As you can see, but copyright stuff, remember. And then you can press menu so you can see how it looks. An Apple CarPlay, but we're not going to play any music because of the copyrights, of course.